Hold on to your hats, folks. The market just took a nosedive, and it's all thanks to President Trump's latest trade war offensive. We're talking about a full-blown tariff tsunami here, folks, one that has Wall Street running for cover. This is not a drill. The Dow Jones plummeted over 650 points, the S&P 500 got slammed with its worst day of the year, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq? Forget about it. It's a sea of red out there, and investors are left wondering what hit them. This is a moment of truth, folks. The trade war that Trump started years ago has finally come home to roost, and it's hitting us where it hurts, our wallets. The market hates uncertainty, and right now, uncertainty is all we got. Buckle up, because this is going to be a bumpy ride. We're talking about trillions of dollars in market value vanishing into thin air. The VIX, Wall Street's fear gauge, has gone through the roof. This is not the time for amateur hour, folks. You need to be listening to the pros, and that's where I come in. So, what exactly set off this market meltdown? In a nutshell, Trump slapped a 25% tariff on all goods coming from Canada and Mexico. That's right, our neighbors and biggest trading partners. He claims it's to protect American jobs and fight the fentanyl crisis. But let's be real, folks, this is nothing short of economic warfare. China wasn't spared either. Trump jacked up tariffs on Chinese goods to 20%, citing, you guessed it, the fentanyl crisis. Now, some Chinese products are getting hit with a whopping 45% tariff. This is insane. These tariffs are like a punch to the gut of the global economy. And guess what? They're already backfiring. Canada is threatening retaliatory tariffs on $107 billion worth of U.S. goods. Mexico is staring down the barrel of massive job losses in a potential recession. This is what happens when you start a trade war, folks. Nobody wins. Let's take a closer look at the carnage, shall we? The Dow Jones, that bellwether of American industry, plunged a gut-wrenching 650 points, or 1.48%. The S&P 500, which tracks a broader range of companies, got hammered even harder, shedding 1.76%. And the tech-heavy Nasdaq? It got absolutely clobbered, losing 2.64%. That's a bloodbath. But it wasn't just the major indexes that got hit. Individual stocks took a beating too. Take Nvidia, for example. This semiconductor giant, which has been on a tear lately, plummeted 8.7%. Even Bitcoin, the supposed safe haven asset, got caught in the crossfire, crashing 8.6%. This is a market in full-blown panic mode, folks. So what's next for the market? Honestly, your guess is as good as mine. The only certainty right now is uncertainty. This trade war has the potential to spiral out of control, and that's a scary thought. Some analysts are saying that this is just a blip, that the market will bounce back. Don't believe the hype. This is different. These tariffs are a game changer, and their impact will be felt for years to come. We're talking about higher prices for consumers, job losses across multiple sectors, and a slowdown in global economic growth. This is not the time to be complacent, folks. You need to be prepared for anything and everything. Stay liquid, stay diversified, and for heaven's sake, stay tuned.